In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an aged domain on Namecheap. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to find older, previously registered domains that can give your project a head start in authority and recognition. First, open Namecheap in your browser. On the homepage, move your mouse to the top navigation and hover over the Domains menu. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens a drop-down with tools and marketplaces that go beyond simple domain search, which is where aged and aftermarket options live. From that drop-down, click on Namecheap Market. The market is Namecheap's dedicated space for domains being resold by owners or released from expiry. It's where you'll find established names that may already have history, backlinks, or brand familiarity, key traits people look for when they say aged domain. Once the market loads, head to the Auctions section. Click Auctions to see domains that are actively being bid on with a countdown timer. This is the best place to discover aged domains because many listings have been around for years and are now changing hands. You'll typically see details like the current bid, time left, left, and sometimes a buy now option. If you have a target budget, it's smart to keep an eye on the current bid and how quickly it's moving as the timer winds down. Now, browse through the listings. Take your time here. Look for short, memorable names, clean word combinations, and extensions that fit your audience. Consider the domain's potential history. A long registration timeline, a brandable name that looks credible, and any listing notes that hint at prior use are all helpful signals. If the niche matters to you, scan for terms related to your industry. It's also a good idea to think about future branding, trademarks, and how the domain might appear on social profiles and marketing materials. If a price looks surprisingly low, check the remaining time. Last-minute bidding can move quickly. When you find a domain you like, click Bid Now. A bid box will appear where you can enter your offer and confirm it. Make sure your bid reflects the maximum you're comfortable with since auctions can become competitive near the end. If prompted, sign into your account so your bid is recorded instantly. That's it. Hover over domains, go to Namecheap Market, head into Auctions, explore the listings, and click Bid Now on the domain that fits your goals. Follow those steps and you'll be ready to secure an aged domain with confidence.